What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to use WhatsApp with the help of Claude. So for that you must need to see this video till the end. First thing is that there is no direct connector available at the Claude to interact with the WhatsApp. Over here, if you go here and see the add connectors option, if you go ahead and browse the connectors, you won't be able to see any WhatsApp connector. Let me just pull up really quick for you. So you see that there is no WhatsApp available. But if you see that there is Zapier available that I've already connected. Now we can use Zapier, Twilio. These are the tools that can help me integrate the Claude with the WhatsApp. Because WhatsApp use the API of Meta. First thing is that we need to set up a connection, which is obviously if we are using the Claude application like I'm doing so, or you're using the Claude code, which can be accessible using a system application. If I have already installed it, if I go ahead and type Claude, it will open up right here like this one. So for both of these models, there are different MCP connectors. So we will be using the Claude application because that is more convenient for the general user. I'm just going to go ahead over here. First, if I go ahead and click on this, it will ask me to just simply copy this prompt and paste it in the Claude. Now I'm using the Opus version for the moment, but you guys can obviously use the Sonnet one because this is not a big deal of it. So let's start with it. Just simply give this prompt to it and let's see what it will do. After that, we have to open up the Claude as well, like this one. Now we just have to follow the instructions as prompted. Let's wait a few seconds till it go ahead, research, and then come back to us. We need to just stick with it for a few more moments. So this is like the way to do it. I just have to press the enter, and now it has already connected with Zapier. Now it will go ahead and pull up all the save skills because that is not relevant thing right now. What is relevant is getting the Meta API, which is more important for the WhatsApp. So if I go ahead over here and you will see the Meta developer documentation, Meta API and all this stuff. If we go ahead and write WhatsApp, it will even open this up for you. So we don't have to go for this wati.io because that's not the genuine one. What we need is the this one, Meta for developers. Just go ahead and click on this link, and you have to follow the prompts to get the API. You have to given the business details and all that stuff to get the API out of it. So it's a very different sort of a thing, and if you want to download it and get started, you have to go ahead and first go through this one, and it will download Jasper's Market sample application. For this, open up the Meta dashboard, create a Meta app with WhatsApp use case, create app, add your app name. Let's go over there and see what we need to go through and pull up. Select the connect with the customers through WhatsApp use case and click next, and it will authorize the API key, and then you have to paste that API key in the Claude and it will do the rest. So this is the guide over here, and this is the complete guide, like what you have to do, what you have not have to do. And this is where you log in. The links will be in the description, and you see that now we have already connected with the Zapier. So this is the whole process on how to do it, because if you go ahead and see whether we can connect Zapier with the Gemini, let me just ask it with the Gemini. Can we connect Zapier with WhatsApp API? For me, I know that the answer is yes because I have already done so. And this will be the answer. So just for the proof of point, I'm showing it to you guys so that you will be able to see it and understand the process. So yeah, absolutely connectable. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.